Letter number 18. To Abdullah ibn Abbas, his governor of Basra. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. You should know that Basra is the place where Shaitan descends and mischiefs happen. Keep the people of this place pleased with good treatment and remove the knots of fear from their hearts. I have come to know of your strictness with Banu Tamim and your harshness over them. Banu Tamim are those that if one star sets another one rises for them. They were never exceeded in the art of war in pre-Islamic times or after Islam. They have a special kinship with us and a particular relationship. We shall be rewarded if we pay heed to the kinship, and be deemed sinful if we disregard it. O Abu Abbas, may Allah have mercy on you. Keep yourself restrained in whatever you say or do, good or bad about your people, as we are both partners in this responsibility. Prove yourself according to my good impressions about you, and do not prove my opinion about you wrong, and that is an end to the matter.